the
I wouldn't even know
heart,
this.
then it has the right side and then the left side. So this is like the apex and then this is the base. So on the right side you have the right atrium, right ventricle. Did I sign out? No,
We need to sign out.
sorry. Okay. Can you? Okay. Yeah.
This pin has been here since the start of class.
So there's like the right atrium, the right ventricle, then the left atrium, and then the left ventricle over here. So you can tell between the two because the left ventricle has like a thicker wall, while the right ventricle has like a much more thin wall, and that's because it pumps blood out to the body. So then, the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, alongside the coronary sinus, drains the oxygenated blood to the atrium. So then the atrium drains the blood right to the
Munoz.
okay,
Munoz?
right to the right ventricle, and then this is the
Chord atrium?
right
Oh, wait, no.
atrium. I'm
Sorry.
not
Yeah, got
yeah.
excited.
Then through the right atrioventricular canal into the right ventricle. So then the blood from the right ventricle drains from the pulmonary trunk via the pulmonary semicircular valve into the pulmonary trunk, and then bifurcating the pulmonary trunk, bifurcating to right and the left pulmonary arteries into the lungs. So, and it also drains the deoxygenated blood. So while in the lungs, whatever happens, oxygen comes in and then it gets through the right and the left pulmonary veins, drains into the left atrium. Then from the left atrium, it drains via passes through the left atrioventricular valve into the left ventricle, and then from the left ventricle it goes through the aortic semilunar valve into the aorta. Then from the aorta, aorta branches out to the brachiocephalic artery, common trunk, left common carotid artery, and then left subclavian artery, then to the rest of the system. So then this is the tiny stuff is the chordae tendineae, then the papillary muscle. Then these are like the blood vessels and the veins that supply.
What was this one?
Coronary
Papillary what?
Well, it's papillary muscle, but I don't think it's in.
Oh, it's on you. Just
It's-
extra credit.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the coronary sinus, right?
Yeah, the
right.
coronary sinus. Yeah, that's like the veins that drain the heart.